Easter, and I just wanted to show you this. The white eggplant and the white eggplant. And if you think that these are not real, they are real. So it was possible for me to grow them last year, actually, but these were not seeds from AliExpress. These are some seeds I ordered from a serious seller, which is quite funny to say. So now see for yourself how the plants look like. So, you see, they really do exist, and these didn't germinate yet, so I'm trying this second time probably, but if they do, I will tell you. So for now, happy Easter, guys!